Archer Girl Vacations, taking a quick little tour of the Grand Suite 1580 something for on the Adventure of the Seas. That's our little bar area because we're a little bit of a established member. We got some fresh fruit in our suite today, and we got yummy cookies. Don't eat that one yet. That's Kyle. Here's our little bar area for our clothes. There's the living room area. That's Kyle's bed over there. Nice big screen. We come over here. Here's our restroom. Double vanity. And can you see the reflection? Maybe not. Nice tub shower. Huge. Love it. This is a grand suite. So, and then on the other side is our king size bed. Vanity over here. Some more storage space over there for you. And we have 2 sets of doors leading to the balcony, which has a table and chairs and a chase lounge. Last time we were on, last April, they had 2 chase lounges, but I guess they got 1 out there and a table. What do you think, Kyle? Right? 2 chase lounges before. That's right, though.
And complimentary
Beautiful
PS3.
city of Miami. And what, Kyle?
Complimentary PS3 for your room.
No, shut up. They got a PS3?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. That's what you get in the sweet life. Hashtag sweet life. And we are
Archer Girl Vacations and Kicking with Kyle in the Caribbean. Make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome content on this channel. And we'll see you guys in the next tour. Bye.
See ya.